Question number 50. See the figure here. AB and CD are parallel to each other. Here. AB is parallel to CD. Then EF is transversal line. EF is transversal line. Here angle is formed 2y and here is y and here is 3x. 3x. We need to find x and y. Value of x and y. See, not it is 2x bound. What is here? 2x degrees and y and 3x degrees. 2x. Here 2x plus y is equal to how much you get? It is same side transversal 2x and y. It is a linear pair. It is a linear pair. Now here also 3x and here it is not there anything. So the adjacent angle y is equal to 3x. Y is equal to 3x. Why? Because y is equal to 3x. Alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. So from the figure 2x degrees plus y is equal to 180 degrees since the linear pair. Now, and also y is equal to 3x degrees. Y is equal to 3x degrees since alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. So, and also is to substitute the 3x value in y. 3x value in the y. What do you get 3x value in y? 2x plus 3x, y means 3x, so is equal to 180. Is equal to 180 since y is equal to 3x already proved. Okay now. Thereafter 2x plus 3x how much ma? 5x is equal to 180. Then x is equal to 180 by 5. So what do you get 180 by 5? Tell us So 5 ones are 36. 5 3s are 50, 5 6 are 30. That means 36 degrees. 36 degrees. If x is equal to 30 degrees, then y is equal to y is equal to 3x degrees. You know that 3x means 3 into 36 degrees. Already proved x is equal to 30 degrees. Since x is equal to 36 degrees, hence we have proved already. Then 3 6 are 80. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. 108 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to 36 degrees and y is equal to 108 degrees. Do you understood? Next, in the same question, second one, 15th question only. AB is parallel to CD, EF is transversal line. Find the value of x and y. Here it is. You know that these angles are corresponding angles. Both are equal. That means you should write 2x plus 15 is equal to 3x minus 20. Find the value of x there. Transpose LHS to RHS, RHS to LHS. You get the result of x value. That's yourself. Then I take another question in this. AB is parallel to CD, EF is transversal, G is angle 4x minus 23 and H is equal to 3x, here angle x. Now we need to find value of x. No y here, only x is there. You know that here it is co-interior angles are equal, not equal. Must be equal to 180 degrees, same side transversal. The piece we are taking from the figure. AB parallel to CD and EF is transversal. EF is transversal line. Now we are writing here 4x minus 23 degrees plus 3x is equal to 180 degrees. These two sum cheste manaki 180 anamata. Same side transversal. Otherwise మనం ఏం చేసుకుంటామంటే co-interior angles అని కూడా మనం. So we are writing here same side transversal. Same side of transversal lines. Transversal angles. That means here we are adding 4x plus 3x. How much you get? 7x. That is equal to 180 minus 23. 180 minus 23 how much now? Here minus is there, here plus. Now 0 plus 3, 3, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 plus 1, 203. 7x is equal to 203. X is equal to 203 by 7. Subtract, divide it. 203. 7 2s are 40. You get remainder 6 and 3. 7 9s are 63. Remainder will be 0. The answer is 29. Therefore, x is equal to 29 degrees. Question 16. AB parallel to CD. D is transversal to E and F. So here we need to find the given ratio is angle 2 is to angle 1 is equal to 5 is to 4. So we need to find the marked angles. Marked angle means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All angles we can go here. So let's see here from the figure. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees because of linear pair as well as adjacent angles. Angle 1 is to angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees linear pair of this. It is not a linear pair of it. So then and given ratio is angle 2 is to angle 1 is equal to 5 is to 4. 5 is to 4. Now we know that plus angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. We take angle 1 is equal to like angle 1 is equal to 5x and angle 2 is equal to angle 1 is equal to 4x, angle 2 is equal to 5x. Sum of the angle 1x plus 4x plus 5x how much? 9x. Sum of the ratio how much? 4x plus 5x is equal to 9x. So add this sum of the ratio is equal to 4x plus 5x is equal to 9x. So given ratio angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. So that means substitute value here. 9x is equal to 180. X is equal to 185. 185. 9. 9 ones are 9 20s are. So therefore x value is 180. That means therefore angle 1 is equal to 4 into x. It is equal to 4 into 20. It is equal to how much ma? 80. And angle 2 is equal to 5 into x. It is equal to 5 into 20 equal to 100 degrees. We know that from the figure angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. That means it is 80. It is 80. This angle 1 తీసుకున్నాం ఇక్కడ angle 2 తీసుకున్నాం. అలాగే angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Then angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Angle 3 is equal to angle 5. This is also 80 degrees. Understand? So these are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are equal and same as it is. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. That is equal to 100 degrees. So this also alternate interior angles are equal. And then 5 is equal to 7. Angle 5 is equal to angle 7. Is equal to 80 degrees. Vertically opposite angles are equal. In the same way, angle 6 is equal to angle 8 from angle 2. Angle 6 is equal to angle 8 is equal to 100 degrees. So alternate interior and not vertically opposite angles are equal. So now finally conclusion that angle 1 is equal to angle 3 is equal to angle 5 is equal to angle 7 is equal to 80 degrees. In the same way for angle 2 is equal to angle 4 is equal to angle 6 is equal to angle 8 equal to 100 degrees, right? So all angles we have measured from the figure. Understood now? First of all, we take given question. See from the figure, from here to answer. From the figure, so angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. We know that. So given ratio angle 2 plus angle 1 is equal to 5 is to 4. Here means angle 2 is equal to 5 parts, angle 1 is equal to 4 parts. So that's why we take a letter. Angle 1 is equal to 4x, angle 2 is equal to 5x. Then sum of the ratio 4x plus 5x is equal to 9x. Already sum of the ratio 180 we know that sum of the angles, right? So we are substituting value of this angle 1 plus angle 2 9x. They are writing here 9x is equal to 180. Translate, you get x is equal to 20. Then substitute angle 1 plus 4x. 4x means 4 into 20 and 5x means 5 into 20. Angle 1 value, angle 2 value you get. Already you know that vertical opposite angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. So all you know. So you could add and write. So question number 70. AB is parallel to CD and find the value of x, y values of here. So మనం x వాల్యూ కనుక్కోవాలి, y వాల్యూ కనుక్కోవాలి అండ్ ఆల్సో z వాల్యూ మనం ఇక్కడ కనుక్కోవాలి అన్నమాట. సో AB అనేది parallel to CD. సో అప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేసుకున్నామంటే from the figure angle QPD is plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degrees. అంటే ఈ మొత్తం యాంగిల్ తర్వాత ఈ మొత్తం యాంగిల్ కలిపితే మనకు 180 డిగ్రీస్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. ఎందుకంటే ఒక లైన్ కు సేమ్ సైడ్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి సేమ్ సైడ్ ట్రాన్స్వర్షన్ అని మనం చెప్పుకోవచ్చు, లేదా కో ఇంటీరియర్ యాంగిల్ అని కూడా మనం చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. సేమ్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ట్రాన్స్వర్షన్, ఇది ట్రాన్స్వర్షన్ అనుకున్నాం. ఈ యాంగిల్స్ కలిపి మనము సేమ్ సైడ్ యాంగిల్స్ అనుకున్నట్లయితే మనము 180 కి ఈక్వల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అన్నమాట. ఇది స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ కదండి. సో ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ ఎంత ఫార్మ్ అవుతుంది, 2x plus 3x అన్నమాట. 2x అండ్ QPD అంటే 2x plus 3x and plus PQR ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ 80 ఉందన్నమాట. దట్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 180 degrees. Look at the board. Next 2x plus 3x, 5x degrees is equal to 180 minus 80. Here we know that x degrees is equal to 180 minus 80, 100 by 5. So x degrees is equal to 25. X degrees is equal to 25. 20 here, not 25. 4 means 25, 5 means 20. Next, angle QRP is equal to angle RPD. Angle QRP is equal to angle RPD. Now, that is equal to QRP means y degrees. That is equal to RPD means 3x degrees. Already we know that the 3x means 3 into 20 degrees. Since x is equal to 20 degrees, already proved. So how it is QRP is equal to RPD? Here it is alternate interior angles are equal. Now that is equal to 320 is 60 degrees. Y value 60 degrees. Then angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180 degrees linear pair. Angle Y is equal to angle Z degrees, that is equal to linear pair. So we know that already angle Y value, that means 60 degrees plus angle Z is equal to 180 degrees. Then angle Z is equal to 180 minus 60 degrees, you get 120 degrees. Angle Z is equal to 120 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to 20 degrees, y is equal to 60 degrees, z is equal to 120 degrees. సో ఇంకొక లాగా మీరు చేసేటప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఒకవేళ x కనుక్కొని ఆ తర్వాత ఈ x వాల్యూ వచ్చిన తర్వాత అండ్ సమ్ ప్రాపర్టీ ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ తీసుకొని 180 కి ఈక్వల్ చేసుకొని 2x plus 80 plus y, 2x plus y plus 80. 2x value already 220 is 40 plus 80, 40 plus 80 120 plus y is equal to 180. So y is equal to 180 minus 120 same value 60. So then find the value of z very easy. That's also not a problem. Okay. From the figure, here no parallel, AB and CD are parallel. We can extend here also. We need to find x, y, z. Here observe the figure. There is x 70x. All are three angles. Triangle make a linear triplet. Linear triplet must be equal to 180 degrees. So from the figure, that means AEP plus PEC plus CEP. Angle AEC plus angle PEC plus angle CEB is equal to 180 degrees since linear triplet. AEC means x degrees plus PEC means 70 degrees plus CEB is equal to how much it is? X degrees, that is equal to 180 degrees. You know that x plus x is equal to 2x degrees, that is equal to 180 minus 70 degrees. This 70 is minus 70. Now 2x degrees is equal to 110 degrees. When we subtract 70 from 180, you get the result 110. Now x is equal to 110 by 2, that is equal to 55 degrees. X value is 55 degrees. When you get x value 55 degrees, now x plus y plus 90 and some property of triangle. So now from triangle APE, from triangle APE, angle APE plus angle APE plus angle PEA, angle PEA plus angle PAE అనొచ్చు లేదా EAP అనొచ్చు. EAP is equal to 180 degrees and some property of triangle. And some property of triangle. Now, angle APE y degrees plus PEA x degrees plus angle EAP 90 degrees already given in the question, that is equal to 180 degrees. We know the value of x. So y is equal y plus 55 degrees plus 90 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Since x is equal to 55 already proved. 90 plus 55 100 plus 45 145. Now y is equal to 180 minus 145. So y is equal to 35 degrees. Right. 35 degrees. Get y is equal to 35 degrees. Now we take the angle PEC. Angle PEC now BEC plus angle BEC and DCE లేదా angle ECD is equal to 180 degrees. ఎందుకంటే సేమ్ సైడ్ ట్రాన్స్వర్షన్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి, సేమ్ సైడ్ ట్రాన్స్వర్షన్, it must be 180 degrees. Okay, that means angle BEC, you know that x plus angle ECD ఎవరు z degrees is equal to 180 degrees. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి కో ఇంటీరియర్ యాంగిల్ లేదా సేమ్ సైడ్ ట్రాన్స్వర్షన్. నెక్స్ట్ x వాల్యూ ఆల్రెడీ we know 55 degrees plus z degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now z is equal to 180 minus 55. What is that? 145. 25. Yes, 125. 125 degrees. Therefore, finally you write x is equal to 55 degrees, y is equal to 35 degrees, and z is equal to 125 degrees. The final result.